What if I told you that the difference between those who achieve their dreams and those who don't has nothing to do with talent, luck, or even opportunity? The harsh truth is that most people fail in life because they give up too early. They quit when the going gets tough, when results don't show up immediately, or when doubt creeps in. But here's what separates the winners from the dreamers: the power to persist. Think about it for a moment. How many brilliant ideas have died because someone gave up after the first rejection? How many potential success stories ended because someone couldn't push through the uncomfortable middle phase? The graveyard of abandoned dreams is filled with people who had everything they needed except one crucial skill: persistence. Now, let me be clear about what persistence really means. It's not just about being stubborn or refusing to change course. True persistence is discipline in action over a long period of time. It's the ability to keep moving forward when motivation disappears, when results are invisible, when fear whispers in your ear, and when failure knocks you down. It's showing up every single day, especially when you don't feel like it. We live in a world obsessed with talent. We celebrate the naturally gifted, the prodigies, the overnight successes. But here's what nobody talks about. Talent can start the journey, but persistence finishes it. You might have all the talent in the world, but if you can't stick with something long enough to see it through, that talent becomes worthless. On the other hand, someone with average abilities but extraordinary persistence will outperform the talented quitter every single time. Let's talk about failure for a minute. Most people see failure as a stop sign, a reason to turn around and go home. But what if I told you that failure is actually proof that you're trying? When you fail, it doesn't mean you're weak or incapable. It means you're pushing boundaries, testing limits, and learning what doesn't work. Every failure is feedback, every setback is data, and every disappointment is a stepping stone to something better. The same goes for obstacles. When you encounter resistance, when things get difficult, when the path becomes unclear, these aren't signs to stop. They're signs that growth is happening. Think of obstacles as your personal training ground. Just like muscles grow stronger under resistance, your character and capabilities develop when you push through challenges rather than around them. Here's something that might surprise you. Consistency beats intensity every time. Small actions done daily are more powerful than big actions done occasionally. You might think that one massive effort will get you where you want to go, but the truth is, it's the daily grind, the small steps, the seemingly insignificant choices that compound into extraordinary results. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes like the weather. But habits and discipline, they're your constant companions. When you build systems and routines that support your goals, you don't need to rely on feeling motivated. You just need to show up and do the work whether you feel like it or not. Patience is perhaps the hardest part of persistence. We live in an instant gratification world where everything is supposed to happen quickly. But anything meaningful takes time. The best things in life, the most worthwhile achievements, the deepest relationships, they all require patience and trust in the process. You may move slowly, but you must never stop moving. Now, I'm not saying you should never change your approach. Sometimes you need to pivot, adjust your strategy, or try a different method. But here's the key. Quit comfort, not commitment. Change your tactics, but never abandon your core goal. Be flexible in your methods, but unwavering in your vision. Shoaib, when today feels hard, when progress feels slow, when no one believes in you, the answer is always the same. Do not stop. The moment you want to quit is often the moment right before the breakthrough. The darkest hour is just before dawn, and your persistence in that darkness is what determines whether you'll see the sunrise. Persistence doesn't just lead to external success. It builds something even more valuable: character. Every time you choose to continue when quitting would be easier, you're building confidence, mental toughness, and self-respect. You're proving to yourself that you can be trusted to follow through on your commitments. The power to persist is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. It's the difference between a life of regret and a life of fulfillment. So, whatever you're working toward, whatever goal you're chasing, whatever dream you're pursuing, remember this: your ability to persist is your greatest asset. Guard it, develop it, and use it. Because in the end, it's not the strongest or the smartest who survive and thrive. It's those who refuse to give up.